This is just my way of just celebrating and enjoying and just having fun. I am way too excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very special video because it's my birthday! Yes, I am very excited. I am totally a birthday person. I definitely am somebody who feels like you should celebrate your birthday because you just survived a whole year of whatever you had to go through, and now you get a day to yourself to celebrate you. I mean, you should be celebrating every day as far as like celebrating life, but you know, it's a day that's dedicated to you, so celebrate, enjoy. So I really wanted to do a special video to just celebrate my birthday with you guys and let you guys know that I love you guys and I appreciate all the support you guys have given me, and I wanted to, you know, include you guys in my celebration and give you guys a video. So without further ado, let's get started. So yes, I have my headband on and I think they're kind of cute, so I'm going to keep it and I'm going to use it to keep the hair out of my face. I know this whole thing is a lot, but I'm having fun, so let's get started. So I'm going to prime my face with this Professionals Pearl Primer by Benefit. This is something that I got in my Ipsy bag, so I wanted to give it a try and see how that's going to look. And I'm going to moisturize my lips with this BKR Paris Water Balm. For concealer, I'm going to use this E.L.F. concealer. I'm so sorry, it is like so torn up and I just have a little bit left. Like the cap is all broken because I use this like every day, but it works. For foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty in 340 and this Maybelline Fit Me in the color 240 Golden Beige, which is dewy and smooth. Just know that I'm going to get it onto my earrings, and that's the only thing that worries me. Okay, I need to take this off or I will go crazy. So let's take it off for a second. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette and go into the color Chocolate. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that away. I'm going to conceal and highlight with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand, and I'm basically going to take that into my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now I'm going to bake my under eyes with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. And then I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and go into the powder and bake my under eye with that. Am I making it patchy? I don't know. Maybe this cap is not big enough. Yeah, maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Now I put this on a tissue. I feel like I'm better with the regular baking than this kind of baking.
I'm also going to bring that to my jawline. Right underneath my contour.
While that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. First, I'm going to start off by just taking off whatever I had on it. And also, let's go ahead and do my brows while we're at it. For my brows, I'm going to go in with this Carli Brow Goals 3-in-1 brow pencil. First, I'm going to go ahead and straighten it out. I believe my pencil is in the color Dark Chocolate. Now I'm going to prime my lids with this pre-shadow primer from Carli. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and conceal under my eyebrows and onto my lids. just to make sure everything looks nice and clean. So it is going to crease just a little bit, which is alright because I can just go back and pat it because I didn't put any powder on it. But let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take my Huda Beauty palette and I'm going to go into the color Desert Sand to set my entire lid. I'm going to take the color Blaze and bring that into my crease and a little bit underneath my brows. And I'm using a very light hand. Okay, I like how that's looking, but I feel like maybe I want to add a little bit of purple into the mix. I'm going to go in with this color Amethyst and put that also over my lid. So far so good. I think I've been baking for some time now, so I'm going to take that off right now. Now I'm going to take Oud and deepen up that crease a little bit more. Now this color is very heavy on my lid, but I'm using a light hand. I know right now it looks a little patchy. Right here. But we can clean that up. Taking a plain fluffy brush and just brushing over that. Now I'm going to go back to that purple Amethyst and just put that all over my lid, towards the inner corner and a little bit on my crease as well. As loud as that looks, as dark as that looks, I like how it is looking, and we can move on to the next step. Now this is going to be my favorite part because this is pretty much what I wanted to use the entire video. So I'm going to go in to my Stila Glitter Glow eyeshadow in the color Smoldering Satin. Now this is so pretty and I've never gotten a chance to use it on myself, so I'm quite excited. So first I'm going to use this NYX glitter primer and put that over my lid. So pretty. Now I just need that to dry. We're going to take the color Amethyst and kind of bring that to our outer corner and above just a little bit, just to clean everything up. And then I'm going to take the color Oud, which is the darkest one right here, and bring that into my outer corner. I'm not bringing that all the way around, I'm just going to bring it right here and here, the outer V. So that looks so pretty already. I mean, we have this whole glitter thing going on. Now let's go ahead and do our eyeliner. I'm going to use this Tarte Clay Paint Liner in black. Now eyeliner and lashes are the ones that take the longest, I feel like, because you need to be more precise with that. Alright, so that worked out. Looks good. I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other side, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So I got the lashes and I used the Samantha lashes from Huda Beauty. I really like them. And on top of that, they were one of the easiest lashes to put on that I've used. I'm ready with my liner and my lashes, and now we can go into our bottom lid. Now for my bottom lid, I'm going to go in with Amethyst, the purple, and line my bottom line with that, or bottom lid with that. Now I like how that looks, so I'm going to go in with my mascara and put that on my bottom lashes. For mascara, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara. So that is it with the eyes. I think it turned out so pretty. So let's go ahead and finish the rest of our face. So I'm going to go ahead and powder my face with the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Foundation in 80 Rich Tan. Now I'm going to powder contour my face with the NYX contour palette in the color Sepia. For blush, I'm going to go in with this Tarte blush in Fiesty and overlay that with this Lychee and Gold by Seraphine Botanicals. I'm going over with this Lychee because it's not really that pigmented, but it gives it a little bit of a glow, I feel like. Now for highlight, I'm going to go into my Carli Bybel palette and use my two favorite highlights that I love putting on my face. This gives my face a nice little glow. Now we can go into the lips. Now for lips, I feel like I should keep it a little bit more neutral because I have so much going on right now, and I kind of want to keep it nice and neutral. And I don't want to overpower all the colors that I have going on. So let's see. So I do have this Cardi lip gloss that I got. It's in the color Kira. So Kira. So I'm going to put that on my lips. Even though it is dry, I'm going to actually use it as a gloss instead of a matte, and that will go better. And I do like that, but I do want a little bit more color. So I do want to add a little bit of gloss on top of it. So I'm going to use this Dirty Little Secrets in Nude Beach and put that on top. Maybe a hint of pink in the middle. Would that work? So I do have this Balm Stain by Wet n Wild, and it is the color Rico Mauve. It's one of my favorite balms to use on a regular. I'm going to try to use that. It's like a nice pinky color. Obviously I've used it a lot. And I'm going to put that just in the center. I want it a little bit more nude. I'm going to go back into the Cardi, and it is a matte, so I'm going to try to put that on top. I like this. I don't know if I just went back to the color that I had before I added a hint of pink, but whatever it is, I like it. Guys, I totally forgot to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I think I didn't highlight my inner corner because it already has like a highlight, so I don't know if I really need it. My brow bone definitely needs a highlight. So I'm going to go back into the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to go into this color that I used for my highlight anyways and go into my brow bone with that, because I feel like this look is a very like a rose gold-ish kind of a look. So no, let's continue that theme. Ooh, that's intense, girl. Okay, took that down just a little bit. I got a little excited. And I really don't need an inner corner, but I will do like the bottom corner, if that makes sense. Right here. I will add a little bit of a highlight down there. Now, last but not least, I'm going to add some setting spray to my face, and this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spritz that all over my face. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I really like the way it turned out. It's so sparkly, so pretty, and I feel like This is exactly how I wanted it to come out. I'm in love with the Stila glitter liquid shadow. It is so beautiful, and I love anything that's really sparkly, so it doesn't take much. But yeah, I think the lips, everything looks so pretty. I know I'm doing the most in this video with so many colors going on, but it's just that all these colors make me happy. Doing this look for you guys makes me happy, and I'm happy that I could be happy on my birthdays. I love birthdays. I think it's definitely something that should be celebrated. You should live a full life and be as happy as you can, and if you get one day to celebrate, you take it, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my birthday. I thank you guys for being with me on my birthday, watching my videos, and leave a comment below letting me know how you celebrate your birthday. If there's something special you do, something traditional you do, I would love to hear that. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. I am trying to do as many uploads as I can for you guys because I love doing this, and that's why I would have a video out for my birthday. But I thank you guys so much for all the support and all the love that you guys give me. I love you guys so much. Bye! I kind of don't want to take this off because it looks so cute.